As you can see, I was able to generate $100 a day in pure passive revenue by using just these 5 popular apps. It is completely free to use and available everywhere. You can start making money online by simply installing these applications on your device, which allows you to work from any location in the world. The first app on our list is Lifecoin, so let's get started. You can be compensated for walking on the Lifecoin platform. As soon as you install the app, you may start making money for walking. Additionally, this app is available for download for iOS and Android users. As a result, if you have an Android or iOS smartphone, you can get it from the Play Store or the App Store, respectively. Additionally, this software offers a choice of payment options, which is a benefit. As a result, you can still collect payments for items like sporting equipment and other gift cards, even if PayPal is not available in your nation. The ideal option is usually PayPal, but if you don't have it, you can still receive payment in the form of other gift cards, a new iPhone, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, and other products. Regularly check back to see their most current prizes because they are always introducing new ones. Additionally, as I just illustrated, downloading it from the Play Store or App Store is completely free. However, if you like, you may also download the app from their official website. Just go to the app's official website, lifecoin.ai. You can install the app on your smartphone by selecting the appropriate category. You don't even have to leave your house to participate in this one. All you have to do is download the software to your device and put your phone in your pocket. You will be compensated only for downloading this app. No tedious activities or surveys are required. You'll get compensated just for taking a leisurely stroll through your beautiful city. Install the app, keep your phone in your pocket, and you can start earning points right away. As I've shown, these points may be exchanged for a range of goodies. Many of you like the PayPal choices, and you can get 100 gift cards more than once, allowing you to make pure passive money. Think about why they're paying you if you're trying to determine whether this is a legitimate opportunity or a scam. By taking all essential safeguards, Money SMS, on the other hand, ensures compliance with the most recent GDPR privacy policy regulations. If you're unsure whether to install this app or not, you can read more information about it here. You can learn more about the app by clicking on the link that will take you to that website. In addition, I researched the app for you on Google and discovered a ton of reviews and comments demonstrating its efficiency and profitability. More than 400,000 users use this app daily, and they have already spent more than $300,000. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Telefia.io is the third application on our list. On the app Telefia, you can be compensated for sharing your data and expressing your opinions. But don't worry, you don't necessarily have to voice your views using this software. You may only provide data and still receive a respectable sum in entirely passive income. As a result, this program contains a download meter that will let you make a passive income by only sharing your data usage, as you can see below. You have the option to improve your revenues by doing surveys and giving your opinion, but it's not necessary. Telefia is one of the top applications for passive online income. Additionally, you can easily withdraw funds to PayPal from. To receive payment straight away, just provide your PayPal email. Simply download and install the app on your smartphone, create a Telefia account, and authenticate it to start making money with it. Turn on a few fundamental app permissions to allow Telefia to access your data. Following that, you can start earning money just by sharing your info. Now I want you to click on these 3 lines on the website's homepage. The power to decide how it functions. You will then be directed to a screen where you can see that a qualified day is one during which this app meter is left operating in the background of your smartphone for at least 8 hours. By performing the identical action repeatedly for 7 qualifying days, which don't even have to be consecutive. You can generate $1 in pure passive income. Although $1 may not seem like much, keep in mind that you won't have to do anything to get it since it is 100% passive income. The program merely has to be installed, and you can then leave it running in the background. The fourth application is called Mobile Expression Panel. This app and the first one are very similar. Additionally, if you own other devices, you can install this app, as well as every other app featured in this video on each of them. If you have more devices, you can make more money. Things will still be fantastic even if you just have one phone, but if you have multiple phones, you can make at least 4 times as much money as you could if you only had one. Because even though you aren't doing any of the work, the background work that is done on your smartphone without your involvement pays you $15 to $20 per month just to having the app loaded. The only prerequisites are to install it and create a free account. You no longer require logging onto the app unless you want to merely withdraw money to. Continue to generate a consistent passive income from it without exerting any active effort. You may simply disregard the app. It's incredible that this program has been downloaded by over 1 million users. This app has also been around for a while, adding to its trustworthiness. Therefore, this cannot be a scam, as they would have disappeared by now if it were. But people from all around the world have participated in this one, which has been going on for a while. Use the Mobile Expression Panel to generate revenue. Consequently, you need just download the and start using it to make money as well. Last but not least, there is an app called Honeygain.com. One of my all-time favorite apps for making passive online income is this one, which is the most dependable. In addition to Honeygain, the first and fourth apps I just demonstrated share features in common. You can also earn money here by only sharing your internet. You can view a demo lesson on how to utilize Honeygain on your device by just tapping the play button. Additionally, Honeygain ensures that only trustworthy partners use your internet traffic. The fact that they never request or are successful in accessing the storage on your device is a bonus. This program offers the highest level of security and safety for generating passive money through data sharing. Each withdrawal from Honeygain costs an average of $26, which is great because it enables you to earn money fully for free while also engaging in pure passive income. This program is used by over 250,000 people every day. The end of that. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask any further questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.